Hi, I'm Janelle, and this week we are celebrating Pride Week. Pride Week is when we celebrate and recognize the members of the LGBT+ community. For today's craft, we are making a rainbow bracelet. The rainbow bracelet material was included in that Pride Week activity kit that you could register for on Rec Desk, but you can follow along with any rainbow colored string. We're going to start by taking any color of string out of our bag and measuring it so it goes twice around our wrist, plus a little extra, and then we're going to cut it there. Then we can take our next colors of string, measure it up to the one we just cut, and make sure those lengths match for each color we have. Now you should have all your different strings cut to the same length. You can go ahead and fold that in half, and then we're going to make a small knot by slipping one of these threads through this loop into a little loop knot. Now that we have our knot, we're going to go ahead and tape this down to a flat surface so we can start working on it. We're going to separate our colors and make sure each string is paired up with the other color, and we're going to do it in the order of the rainbow colors. So first we are going to have red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. To start creating our bracelet, we're going to take our first string, place it over orange, go underneath, and tie that knot. We're going to do that twice. Top, underneath, and tie the knot up to the top. We're going to set aside orange, and using our red thread still, we're going to do that same knot over, take from underneath, and tie the knot with our next color, yellow. And again, it's going to be 2 knots. Move yellow aside, and we're going to do the same with green. And again, that knot is over top and then underneath. We're going to do that twice each time. Move green aside, onto blue. Blue aside, and purple. Now that we've tied red to each colored string, we're going to move on to orange next. So same knot, starting with orange, tying onto yellow, and like always, we do the knot twice. We're going to move yellow aside and go into green next. Put that aside, and you can see now we have one row of red, one row of orange. So our next color is going to be yellow.